Why does your scanner show the P20BD engine code? What does it mean? P20BD is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant heater B control circuit or open. The P20BD engine code for indicate your vehicle's powertrain control module (PCM) has detected a loss of voltage or an open circuit in the heating system responsible for keeping the diesel exhaust fluid warm. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed heating element. Damaged or corroded wiring. Corroded or loose connectors. Blown fuses or bad relays. Faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Nissan, Chevrolet, BMW, Honda, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.